calculating 1 hour timeline.
You will be Dr. Finish long. First na second presentation also 1 hour every 15 years. 1 hour every last 15 years before long time he come arere. God Jesus he using long Wokim judgment long Revelation 14:7 na 2 every giving this last 15 years long mankind long straight in belief na redeem souls belong all one kind. Also every been given 15 years long King Hezekiah long straight in and yet before long any die long Isaiah 38:5 or one kind also God in giving 15 years long Joseph long growing with na feeding all people long Egypt. This na 15 years you will be calculating also you will be dividing 360 days long one year long calendar long God one time 24 hours long one day 360 divided by 24 equal 15. This plus 365 days plus 366 days. You may usually start now any calendar belong man na any no belong God. Jesus also now you may be using calendar belong God 360 days long finding out 1 hour is that long Holy Scripture. You may do been discussing all Templar 1 hour scriptures where you can look in long screen now. Please reading all these Bible verses belong 1 hour now understanding because all these 1 hour scriptures it got meaning long again. Now you may reading John 2:19. Jesus answered and said unto them, destroy this temple, and in 3 days I will raise it up. Now all Jews he kill up now. It of awesome long John 2:20. Then said the Jews, 46 years was this temple in building, and will they it up in 3 days. You make a physical body, na spiritual body, according to 1 Corinthians 6:19, na 1 Corinthians 15:44. 1 Corinthians 15:44 it talk. It is all a natural body, it is raised a spiritual body. There is a natural body and there is a spiritual body. Also the spiritual body belong to me by taking 46 years long building, na 3 years long rebuilding. This blah even start na finish long one and time. Suppose you may look long first presentation belong me long calculation 1 hour, you may been time out also 2,300 years long. By in this class spiritual body and start long time long 8:14 evening start long September 331 time Alexander the Great long Greece he come up more powerful king long this ground now 2,300 years he been finished long 1969 2,300 years subtracting 331 by giving 1969 also in 1969 and he starting this 46 years old building spiritual temple now finished long 2015 1969 plus 46 and 2015 all man in Wokim scene yet now this all blood spiritual body is taking 3 years long washing one and blood Jesus Christ now revealing can where any been start long 2015 now finished long 2018 you may sense in 3 days long John 2:20 equal on 3 years because Ezekiel 4:6 now Numbers 34:14 it talk awesome 1 day any one kind awesome 1 year awesome now 2015 plus 3 years equal to 2018. That is why 404 years old King James Version Holy Bible in the Lucian America now it come long PNC long 2015 long finishing gospel fulfilling Numbers 22:35 1 Samuel 9:19 now Matthew 24:14 Matthew 24:14 it talk and the gospel of the kingdom should be preached in all the world for a witness upon all nations, and then shall the end come. That is why long 2016 only electing Mr. Donald Trump also US president long showing also this first silver trumpet sound and Mr. long Numbers 10:5 he fire up long 2016 long talking all line below God long straight in believe long on now long 2018 Mr. Donald Trump he declaring Jerusalem also in capital city long Israel long marking 70 years independence long 1948. Display on top. Awesome. Display 4 years long. Check-in. Fruit belong display. Divide fruit start long Luke 13. 6 equal long 9 start long 2018. Number finish long 2022. Now 2 spiritual art long. Now 2 impin close long 2018. Belong long Yumi long start 7 years. One kind of same Noah. Now all family long and impin start inside long art long 7 days before long flood come. Last long 1 year long mercy period, asking long Gardener or Holy Spirit start long Luke 13:8, Ibn start long September 2021, number finish long September 2022. Time display 1 year mercy period long Luke 13:8, E finish long September 2022. All display 3.5 years Bible events by take place. Number 1, 3.5 years in the long belong to witnesses long Revelation 11:7 to 12. Number 2, 3.5 years long election stopping rain long 1 King 17:1. Number 3, 3.5 years long making short belong people holy before long crossover even long promised land long Joshua 1:11. Now 3.5 years long start holy before meeting Jesus long Exodus 19:10 now 11. All these plus spiritual events by start long September 2022 now by finish long 2025. Evening part long crossover start long Joshua 4:19 by come up long September 2025. Now morning part long end by start long March 2026. Awesome behind long 3.5 years. Ida Nakira back long tubular witnesses long Revelation 11:9 tubular by kissing made long Yumi Susan people now by equal giving Jesus long Revelation 11:13. Long March 2026, so that Jesus by come kissing Yumi long second coming long Matthew 16:27. Also the time Yumi subtracting 15 years long and time last 1 hour long 2026 Yumi by come back in long 2011. 2026 subtract 15 by 2011. Long first calculation using 16 September 1975 start long Ezra 10:7 to 10. Now second presidency me using Daniel 12 11 to 12. Now long third presidency me using John 2:20 long swing and time last 1 hour calculation. All this triple different calculation he giving same answer long 1 hour timeline. That is why end time last 1 hour or 15 years it been start long September 2011. Now by finish long September 2026. Now, Mary long Jesus Christ by finish long September 2022.